Hi, this is Leslie Kuster, and I am here to help you be successful as an online entrepreneur. I have an online business called Back From Bali where I sell on Amazon, and I would like to share with you the tips for your own success and to share with you the things that I have done. So, what I have done that has helped incredibly is in increasing my sales is the following, and this is what I want to talk about today. In order to increase your sales, in order to have certain sales and certain sales number, you need to start with thinking about it in your mind and writing it down on paper. It is the way I did it. When my sales, for example, were pretty low, which they were 6-7 years ago, they were okay, but not anywhere where they are now. What I decided to do is I wrote down on a piece of paper what I wanted my yearly sales to be, what I wanted my monthly sales to be, what I wanted therefore my weekly sales, and therefore my daily sales. But I really in particularly focused on the monthly sales. And what I did is I wrote them down on the little sticky pads, okay? And I put those sticky pads everywhere. I put them on the mirror when you're brushing your teeth. I put them in front of my sink when I was washing dishes. I put it on the console of my car so when I'm driving I can just kind of look at the number. I put it on my big computer. I put it right here on my laptop computer. I put it everywhere. And what I would do is just look at the number, literally. I would go in, and I still do this. I do this all the time. And I just look at the number. And I look, and I look, and I look, and you start to kind of inhale the number. You start to just believe that's going to be your number. You have to start with your mindset. And the reason why this works is the law of attraction, which works everywhere and every time. Whether you believe in it or not, it doesn't matter because it's operating. So in order to reach your sales goals, to get those numbers that you want, you must write it down. My suggestion too is write a believable number. If your sales at the moment are 0, I don't really suggest your sales goal this year to be 5 million, okay? Pick something that is beyond what you can believe could possibly happen, okay? But is within some level of potential reality, okay? Write your number down, write it on a sticky tape thing, put it everywhere you are so you see it, and watch the magic happen. Let me know what you think of this idea in your comments. Would love to hear it. And I will see you on the next video.